Welcome back. In this video, I will show you the pro way to stretch text in MS Word. This is the scaling tutorial like this one. Most people just increase the font size, but scaling allow you to stretch your text horizontal for a bold cinematic effect without affecting the vertical height. This is the perfect for resume, headers and professional document design. So for this you need to highlight the specific text you want to scale. For example, in this word, Mexico and Cuba, and click on the home, and in the font group you will see that this small arrow. So in the window that appears, click on the Advanced tab on the top and look for the scale drop down menu. And here is the drop down menu, and now you can increase the scale to the 200% and select from the list, and here in the preview you can see the samples as well. You can also use the spacing to the expanded, or you can use the spacing through the condensed. It's up to you which one to you use it. So I'll be selecting the expanded, and here's the position. You can raise or lower it, but I'll be do that normal position. And now simple click OK to apply the effect, and here you can see that unlike increasing the font size, scaling stretches the character horizontally without changing their height. At 200% your text will look twice as wide as normal. So with this way you can easily stretch text in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.